Have you ever thought about disconnecting from the national gas network? Is it even possible? In the UK, over 23 million homes rely on mains gas for heating and hot water. It's just what we do. Turn on the gas boiler and don't think twice about it. But my neighbour Jack did something different. He removed his gas boiler completely and now heats his entire home using an air source heat pump. His house is a 1990s bungalow, a design you'll see right across the UK. It's not some ultra-modern eco-home, it's an ordinary house, which makes what he's done even more interesting. My name is Neil and this is Real Life Architecture. In this video I'm going to show you his setup and explain how it works and reveal what it would cost if you want to do the same thing. If you've ever wondered whether you could ditch your gas boiler and go all electric, this is the video for you. My neighbour's house was built in 1990. It's a 70 square metre, 2-bedroom bungalow. From the outside there's nothing unusual about this house, but walk around to the side and you'll see this. It's an 8 kilowatt air source heat pump, roughly the size of a large suitcase, and it's mounted on the ground just outside the house. And up here on the roof, you can see the solar panels, 12 in total, generating just under 5 kilowatts of electricity on a good day. Tucked away in the garage is a 9.5 kilowatt battery. This stores excess electricity generated by the solar panels and cheap electricity from an off-peak tariff, so it can be used to run the heat pump. Now here's the thing that surprised me. This house hasn't had a gas boiler for 2 years. My neighbour, who's an electrician, removed it and has been heating the house entirely with the air source heat pump ever since. He told me the heat pump has been reliable, efficient and cheaper to run than his old gas boiler, especially when combined with the solar panels and battery. The heat pump he installed is an 8 kilowatt unit. That's powerful enough to heat the entire bungalow and provide hot water. It's larger than necessary for this house, but Jack recently got planning permission to enlarge his roof and add 2 bedrooms upstairs. He specified the heat pump with that in mind. Jack only had to make one change to his house to get the new system to work. He kept all the original radiators, but he upgraded the pipes supplying them. A larger 28mm pipe runs from the heat pump, which branches down to a 22mm pipe serving each room, and the pipes feeding the radiators are 15mm. These houses have suspended timber ground floors. I recently made a video about insulating underfloors like that, and it turns out running new pipes down there is relatively easy. Jack had help from a friend and together they did the full installation in a couple of days. Nothing else about the house was changed. Jack didn't need to upgrade the insulation or increase air tightness. The cupboard that used to house the gas boiler now has a hot water tank. Now, if you're thinking about installing an air source heat pump in your own home, you've probably wondered how much it would cost and how much money you could save. Most of my projects involve renovating older properties, and until now I've never been able to advise my clients about the cost of an air source heat pump or other renewable technologies. That's where Energywise come in. They sponsored this video and I'm going to show you how their online tool can give you an accurate estimate in just a few minutes. Energywise is an energy advice service from the experts at the Energy Saving Trust. Their online tool provides advice on low carbon technologies such as air source heat pumps, solar panels and insulation. It will also provide information on other sources of funding such as grants and loans, which can significantly reduce the upfront cost of installing a heat pump. Let me show you how it works using my own house as an example. First, I entered my address. Energywise have access to over 17 different databases, including the Energy Performance Certificate Register, so they already know most of the important facts about my house. Its age, size, type of construction and current heating system are already loaded into their system. I wanted to work out the installation cost and savings I could generate if I replicate Jack's system in my own home. In under 10 minutes, the Energywise tool worked out a custom plan for my house. An air source heat pump would cost just over £12,000. The tool also calculated the cost of new, larger radiators, a hot water tank and a control unit to work alongside the heat pump. I also added solar panels and a battery storage system, and the total installation cost would be just under £31,000. The annual savings are estimated at just over £900 per year. But here's the important bit. There are government grants available, and Energywise also offer help and advice on finance, getting a qualified energy assessor, as well as finding certified and trusted installers who can make sure the installation is done properly. These next steps are crucial for homeowners. I'm in the construction industry and have plenty of contacts, but the average person needs help making these suggestions a reality. This is a really great service. It's free and impartial, and you should check it out if you're thinking about improving your home in the areas where it's available. Follow the link in the description to check out the tool for yourself.